clean, modern base that instantly upgrades any backyard. Keep furniture slightly inward, layer soft textures like linen and wood, and avoid edge crowding. Treat it like an outdoor living room, not a patio. This shift makes the space feel designed, not random. A pergola adds height and structure, turning a simple deck into an outdoor room. Keep the frame light and airy, layer soft curtains or greenery, and avoid overfilling the space. The balance of shade and openness creates that relaxed, resort-style feel designers always aim for. A fire pit turns a floating deck into a natural gathering zone. Keep seating evenly spaced, mix wood with stone for contrast, and maintain safe distance around the fire. The goal is balance, close enough for warmth, open enough to feel calm and uncluttered. A floating deck over concrete instantly softens a harsh surface. Mix exposed concrete with wood sections instead of covering everything. This contrast adds depth and keeps the space from feeling flat. Avoid uniform layouts. Variation is what makes it feel intentional. A small floating deck works best when every piece has a purpose. Use light colors, compact furniture, and vertical elements to open the space visually. Avoid overcrowding. Negative space is what makes a small area feel calm, styled, and intentionally designed. A floating deck on uneven ground solves layout challenges without heavy construction. Use adjustable supports, keep the top level visually straight, and avoid overcomplicating the design. Clean lines on top matter more than what's underneath. That's where the magic happens. A floating deck with a hot tub creates a spa-like outdoor retreat that feels both relaxing and intentional. Keep the layout clean, balance wood with stone or tiles, and leave space around the tub. Avoid overcrowding. This setup works best when it feels open, calm, and easy to move around. Building a floating deck around a tree blends nature with structure in a way that feels organic and unique. Keep spacing clean around the trunk, use curved or custom cuts, and avoid forcing symmetry. The goal is to design with the tree, not around it. Built-in lighting transforms a floating deck from simple to premium instantly. Add subtle LED strips under edges, steps, or seating areas. Keep lighting soft and indirect. Too bright kills the mood. The goal is to highlight shapes, not overpower the space.